Now we are ready to create our database. Open PHP and in Create New Database field, type the name of our new database, which will be Books, and click on the Create button. We've got our new database created. Now it's time to create a few tables. First table will be called Books, and we will need how many fields? We need ID, ISBN number, title, some description, category to which we will assign the book, then price, date when it's been released, and then date when we've added the book to the database, which altogether comes to 8 fields. So 8, and click on the Go button. Now the first field name will be ID, and it will be of integer data type, field type. Then we want, as an extra, we want this field to be auto-incremented, and we want it to be a primary key. Next field will be ISBN of the field type varchar, and we are going to give it 50 characters length. Next one will be title, as well varchar, and this time let's give it 255, which is a maximum for the varchar. Then we've got description. Description can be a little bit longer, so let's select text. And then we have category. Category, we don't really know exactly how many categories will be there. Let's choose integer. Then we'll create price field. The price field will be decimal. And what kind of price can we expect? I suppose how many numbers before decimal. The most expensive book which we might have, let's say, will be about, I don't know, £9,000, £9,999. So we've got like 4 numbers for the thousands, and then we've got dots, which is fifth, 6 and 7 for 2 decimal places. So we've got 7, let's put 8 before the decimal, comma, and after decimal we want 2 places, so it's 8, comma 2. After price, we have date, released, and this will be date, there we go, and then we have date added, and this time we'll make it date and time, so that we can also record the time. Okay, this table, because we will be using relationships, we need to change the storage engine to INODB. Once we've done all this, we can click on Save. And our first table has now been created. If we look at the structure, you can see all of our fields. None of the fields allows the null, which means none of the fields can be left blank. Next table, if we click on our books database, next table will be table called categories. And this table will only have 2 fields. The first field name will be ID, and again we will have it of the integer the field type. We want this field to be auto-incrementing every time we add new record, and we want this to be our primary key. And the next field will be the name of the varchar type, and will allow about 255 characters, the maximum as well, because some books may have a little bit longer. Some categories may have a little bit longer name. Once we've done this, again, storage engine will be INODB, and click on Save. Next table will be table authors. Again, just 2 fields. The first field the same as previously, ID with the integer type, the same setup, which means auto-incremented, and primary key. And the next one will be name with a varchar of, I suppose 200 is going to be enough for this. Again, storage engine, INODB. Save. Click on books database again. Next table will be covers with number of fields 2. Now integer, ID for the field, and this time we only have tiny integer with length of 1. Extra, we want auto increment and primary key. And the name field, varchar of about 20 characters. Again, INODB. And click on save. Now cover is done, so we can go to languages. Two fields as well. ID, this will be integer. Scroll to the right. Auto incremented and primary key. And the name, varchar of about 150 characters. Change storage engine and click on save. Click on our database again. And the last table of our lookup tables will be locations. Two fields and the same thing, ID with the integer type, auto increment and primary key, and name with the varchar type of 255. Storage engine INODB, and save. So we've created all of our lookup tables, our main books table and our lookup tables. In the next video, we'll create our join tables.